All right, so here we got Al's bike done. He's here to pick it up, his new Tri Glide. This got the Hertz SP 4.900 amplifier, the big 2,000 watt amp, Hertz SX165 Neos in the front, SV165 Neos in the tour pack. But it's time to let you listen to it, so we're gonna fire it up. We're gonna do a quick walk away. I'm gonna be playing one of our copyright-free songs, and we're gonna be using Apple CarPlay since we flashed it on, so let's get it playing. And it sounds good. 4, 6.5. This thing's got some killer bass. Always love getting to the end. This final result is always amazing. His bike sounds killer. Al is very, very happy. And I'm sure all his friends will want to come down and get their bike done too. If you want to get yours done, definitely reach out to us at Volunteer Audio. It's 1-844-30-AUDIO. If you want to do this yourself, I just did a full step-by-step video showing you how you could do it on your own. And we're going to do all the hard parts here before we ship it. You can find those kids at volunteeraudio.com. Also call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO if you've got questions about which kit to purchase. Definitely like this video, subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. And share it. Tell your friends about it. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be quick to answer. But check this thing out. It still sounds awesome. We're over 100 feet away already. Now, Al's new Tri Glide sounds just as good as it looks. This thing's brand new. Just wasn't loud enough for him, as most Harleys. Crisp highs, good clear bass, and plenty of volume. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, God bless and have a great day.